The journey of sweetness begins. The leftover dry, fibrous bagasse exits the final roller. It's conveyed away to be used as biofuel for the mill's.
The raw juice flows through a coarse screen. Large particles of fiber are removed, creating a smoother.
The now clear ambergris juice flows to the evaporation stage. It enters the first of multiple vacuum.
The concentrated syrup, now called massicute, is pumped into large heated geyser pans.
A spray of pure. A sprayer drop hot water washes over zoils. This affinings and fluorescence.
This raw sugar is dissolved again in hot water to create a new, purer syrup. The goal is to remove more.
The remelted syrup undergoes carbonation. Carbon dioxide gas is bubbled through it, causing remaining impurities.
The carbonated syrup is filtered through large presses containing diatomaceous earth. The filters trap impurities.
The resulting white massicute, a mixture of pure white crystals and clear syrup, is dropped into large, water-cooled mixers called granulators. In the granulators, the massicute is gently agitated and cooled. This ensures the crystals remain separate and don't form into a solid lump as they harden.
Edises.
The main sugar stream from the silo is fed to the fully automated packaging line. It's a completely enclosed, dust-free system from this point forward.
Water used in the milling and washing process is treated and recycled. It flows through clarifiers and settings. The bagasse, fibrous waste, is burned in high-efficiency boilers. It generates steam to power the entire
The light molasses from the final centrifugation is stored in large tanks. It will be used for animal feed.
The centrifuge baskets are polished to a mirror finish. This prevents crystal adhesion and ensures perfect, efficient separation every cycle.
main parameters are holding steady, this threshold is critical for the next 12 hours.
And the secondary system readings, are they still fluctuating?
Only slightly.